Well, as you can tell, it says my storage is full. And I have emptied out everything. There is nothing in my storage whatsoever. And I don't understand how come it's just saying that I don't have any storage. And I went through everything and they deleted my beginning, so now I don't have it. So what's going on with my storage? I don't have any. Alrighty, I want to try to make me one of them holders to hold your belt on your car. So now I got 2 pieces of material from salvage to salvage, 5 inches, and I think this one's 5 inches too. Also here's 5.5. Oh boy, we're gonna mess up here. 5 inches. So we need to take 1/2 inch off of this one. So let's take 1/2 inch off of it, so that we will have it right. Line it up. And I'll use it on my rag. Make sure it's not crooked. Right there and right there. Alright. Now, there's that. Alrighty. Now, I also have a piece of fiber fill. And what I want to do is I'm going to keep it folded. And I'm going to put this one on top of it. Like that. And I'm going to cut off the ends right here to make sure that they're all 3 of them are the same. Now, don't know what I'm going to do with that. Alright. Now, I want this side open. Let's see. Should I do it that way? Yeah, why not? There we go. Now, I got these 2. And these 2. Alright. We're going to sew these down. And then I'm going to sew this one down. Sure we got all that all the way.
Win-win.
There we go. Alright. Let's give him a sew down.
Well, he asked again.
Oh, that's part of my table.
I know it still has some paper.
Oh well. Alright.
And it was better weed too.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta do this first.
Exactly. Now
I got this. I don't like it because it's got the sticky on it, and I don't like the sticky. But we're gonna have to use it anyway. It's what I got. Alright. So, see what we can do about lining it up right here. Like that. Because we'll have to sew it down to it. I was about to forget it. We don't want to forget it. Alright, let's see what we can do about sewing it down now. I don't think I need that other one. I think I just need this one. So let's see what we can do about trimming it down. Now let's cut this one down. Now, what I want to do is I want to see what I can do here. I ain't made one of these in a long time. Alright. So it's over here. If I put this one here, if I roll this over, will it hit? Oh boy, it's going to be really small.
Oh yeah, no, I don't.
I'm not going to like that.
That's the beauty.
This right here is going to have to be sewed down on that side. Yeah, let's sew this right here down so it'll work. I keep it to where I can use it. Right down the seam.
Yeah, there's blue. Well,
Alright.
yeah, I guess they was.
Yeah, and they was bluegrass. I can't remember their name.
I can't either.
It was something and something, and they were bluegrass band, and they had 6 o'clock in the morning on ABC
Yep.
or Channel 13. They had a show, and yeah, I seen them on there.
Alright.
I used to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning listening.
Now,
Because I had to go to work.
I got
That big station
this
I
side.
I didn't want to listen to music.
I'm hoping this
Oh,
works.
hell
I just listened
I
to
ain't made one in a long time.
grass and country
Alright.
and all that. Didn't matter.
We're going to want this one
no. It was. Yeah.
this way.
I'll be right back. Well, I'll be back.
Stubbs,
So,
I can't remember either.
yeah, I'll figure it out till you get back.
let me make sure I'm doing this right. I gotta make sure 20,000 times. But I don't want it to be wrong. This side, and then this side will fold to this side. So I'm gonna want this on this side. Alright. Now, I'm going to take and lay it right on the side right here. Like that. Now I'm going to sew on both sides. Alright, let's see what we can do about cutting this one down. Let's see, we can use that. Stuff something. Alright, so now this right here will fold, and I hope I made it big enough. So now we got the 2 ends that I want to do something with. And I'm hoping that it'll work, and it's getting dark out there. Alright. Cut that one down. Cut that one down. Now, I need a piece of something to flip on over each side. I'm not worried about colors. I really ain't. Ooh, I have just about, but no dice. I ain't got something else bigger. No. Alright, I'm gonna go over here. What's right here? I mean, I don't care. I'm not gonna care about what's what. Colors don't make no difference to me because they're all colors. Give me something I can use. Dirty laundry. There we go. Alright. Probably don't need that much.
Yep.
So with 2 inches. There's one side. And here's the other side. Alright. Now, let's see what we got here. We're going to put that there. Fold that. Fold that. Fold that. There we go. I don't want to go through that sticky, and that's exactly what. Okay. This ain't gonna work.
I'll be so reliable of a worker. Sounds like he needs more workers that's reliable.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like to me too.
I like this job. I like this pallet job. But if I can make more money, I'm looking to make more money.
Alright, let's see what we can do about putting it in the car now.
I have no idea, Rick.
Now, well, here we go.
Alright, I'm gonna open this.
We're hoping y'all can see this because it's really dark.
How about that?
That helps.
Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is. Oh, come on. Don't wanna work. What in the hell? Let's do this. Thing. Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it so I can make it smaller. Okay? And then I'm gonna put this right around it. So it will hopefully work. I don't know how well it'll work driving it, but I don't see no problem with driving it. I think I made it too long.
This seems to be a little too long.
Yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna fight with it, baby. I fixed it. And I might as well go right on ahead and see if I can't use it.
So where are we going?
I don't know. You want to go somewhere?
Yeah, let's go down to the store and get another beer.
I ain't got my glasses.
Oh, well, we can't go nowhere then.
Well then, see, we got it. By crackies, I got it. And I don't have, look here, it ain't up here around my neck. It's right here. And this works out good. So I'm happy with it. All right, we'll see y'all later.